Hello, you'll be watching this Monday, September 14th in the morning, so hope you had a nice weekend. I just kind of wanted to go over the plan for the week and let you know what's coming up. So, first of all, we had the density lab last Friday, um, and my policy has always been that labs will be due the day of the test for that unit. So that means it's going to be due on Thursday. That's when we're going to have our first test on this intro unit. So if you're not quite done with that, no need to panic. If you need help with some of the post-lab questions or calculations, just let me know. I've had quite a few emails today, so but that's good. That's good. Keep asking questions. So the density lab is going to be due on Thursday. And then today you're covering the notes on how to name compounds and then also write chemical formulas. It's quite a bit of notes. There's two parts because you can only put like 15 minutes on a screencast-o-matic. So it ends up being, somewhere around like 25 to 28 minutes of notes. So it's quite a bit, but you're going to start working on that today. And then there's a worksheet to go along with that for practice, and that's going to be found on Schoology, and that's going to be due on Tuesday. It's a document that you can either you can write it out and submit photos, or you can type your answers on there. And then I have a study guide. I always have a study guide for each unit. For this introductory unit, it's going to be optional, but I strongly encourage you to work on that. It'll be really good practice to help get you ready for the test. I'll show you where to find that study guide. I'll have hard copies in class if you happen to be in class, but otherwise you'll be able to print it out from Schoology. I'll show you where that's at. And then I have keys posted in Schoology for all the assignments that we've done so far. So there's a folder in your intro unit folder, so you can find that there. I'll show you where that's at in a second. And then the intro unit test, our first test is going to be on Thursday, and we're going to take that on Schoology. My plan right now is to have everybody take it at the same time on Schoology. So if you're in class or at home, you'll be taking this first one on Schoology. Now in the future, I'd like to have paper and pencil tests, but we'll see how that goes. All right. But the plan right now for this unit test is going to be on Thursday. So, and again, this is, keep sending emails and asking questions. I know this is new for everybody. There's going to be some bumps in the road. So just make sure we're communicating with each other. All right. All right. Now in Schoology, just to show you where a couple things are. In the September 14th folder, this will be open that morning. There's the two screencasted notes, and then that just follows along with the notes packet that you have, so you can work on that. And here's the assignment to do. And then here's first of all, here's the study guide that I was talking about. So again, I'll have hard copies in class, but you can always print one out from home. There's a document right there. This is the notes document right there if you want to print that out and follow along. And this is the slideshow that I work off of when I'm doing the screencast. So you got that information. And then down here is the intro unit keys. So again, the intro unit study guide is optional. But I strongly encourage you to do that to help get yourself ready for the test. And here's the keys for all those assignments that we've done. Okay? So that's it for today. Hope you have a good day, and bye.